you can see by the title what we're doing today. So we're going to start off with soaking your chicken in dill pickle juice and water for 30 minutes. This is the dry mix I'm currently doing. I'm putting some flour in the bowl. You have some powdered sugar right here. You have baking soda and chili powder. Then you got paprika, salt and pepper, natural seasoning. And then we're mixing this up right here. Like I say, this is the dry mix. Oh yeah, you guys, I got this recipe from Smoking and Grilling with AB. So this is currently the wet mix I'm doing right now. That's going to be 1 egg and a cup of milk. But like I was saying, I got this from Smoking and Grilling with AB. That man can cook. This is the best Chick-fil-A at-home recipe out here. You guys have to try this. Like, hands down, I was turned on to this guy, and I watch his channel every time. And he has never failed me for not one meal that I have tried of his. So like I say, this is the wet mix that I'm currently doing. I put 1 egg in a cup of milk, and your girl is whipping it up right here. Yes. Put that hand in motion. It'll take a little second to do it, but as long as you whip it up good, because y'all, if you guys try this recipe, I promise you're going to be like at least cooking this in your household for every day out of the week, probably. Like, I want to do it again. This is something I will cook once a week, I promise you. So right here, we're going to show you how we did this. This is when we're going to take the chicken out of dill pickle juice and put it in the wet mix, and then put it in the dry mix, and then we're going to lay it on a pan, and we're going to do, I did all my chickens like this first, and then put it into the grease. And honey, listen, words can't describe how good this came out. My spouse keeps saying, are you going to do another one? Can you do it again? But this takes time, but it's worth it. Even his mom loved it. It was melting in our mouths. Yes, Lord. And by the way, you guys, I use provolone cheese and shredded cheese. We love cheese over here, cheese eaters. I feel like cheese bring out a taste, another flavor in food. So that's the kind of cheese we use for this. Right here, we're gonna lay this on a pan. Like I say, repeat, and then we're going to get these things in the grease. So this is us putting our first piece of chicken in this grease, honey. Yes, it is. Watch the sizzle, because it's going to be good. Got to make room for the others. All right, you guys, right here. Let me take this chicken out of the grease. Look at it. Yes, drip. You should hear the sizzle coming from it, because it was the smell that was getting me. It was the smell for me, honey. That's what they say. Sit that on the pan. And we're going to do the same routine with all. This is how the chicken sandwich turned out.
Chick-fil-A.
It was delicious. Exquisite. Delightful.